So it's December 24th, Christmas Eve here in Quartzsite, and we've learned that a fellow YouTuber by the name of Lorries Way is hosting a kind of meet and greet gather kind of thing, which is open to anyone. So we're gonna go say hi, go meet Lori from Lorries Way, and whoever else may just happen to be there.
Yeah, it'll be exciting.
Yeah, it's very kind of her to open up her home and her tent up to whoever's in Quartzsite that wants to join. It's a beautiful evening here in Quartzsite. Out here in shorts, flip-flops. It's lovely. Yeah, that's her new upgrade. Yes. Yeah, there she is. Hello. I recognize you.
I thought you guys were parked close by.
I recognize you.
I seen your video and I'm like, they're right down the road from us. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
People I can try.
Oh, did you? Thank you. Well, we just stopped by Lorries Way opening house for Christmas Eve. Bunch of really nice people there. All very pleasant. We're cutting through to get our chairs. And anyways, we're just gonna go check on Stella and then grab some chairs, and we'll go back and visit and sit around the campfire for the evening for a bit. See them up there in the distance. Off-road vehicles, lights coming down the mountain range. All sorts of trails up there in those mountains. Alright, so we're back at our campsite. I'm gonna grab something warmer to wear and some chairs, and we'll go back and visit Lorries Way, open house for Christmas Eve. Mr. Bennie is having a little bit of sunshine after his walk. I think he's waiting for the quail to return. Since we had that rainstorm, quail just haven't been the same. I hope they'll come back. I've seen a few, but not very many. Are you missing the quail, Bennie? I love you too, Stella. I love you too. Hi. What you doing? Stella is desperately wanting something to fall. She's as stretched out as she can get. Good evening. It's Christmas evening here in Quartzsite, and the moon has just started to come up over the horizon, and it looked awfully full. So after a quick Google search, I realized it's actually going to be a full moon tonight. So I'm gonna try and get out the camera and our zoom lens and tripod tonight and take some beautiful moon photos for everyone. So I hope you enjoy those. They'll be a little later on. I almost spilled the entire pan of gravy I just made on the ground.
Did it like drop?
It slid off
bottom
the table.
down?
No, you can see where it spilled around the side.
Oh, handle.
It's like all in the ground. A little bit, not a lot.
Looks like you saved most
I
of it.
caught it, but it scared me.
You know that means Stella's gonna want to eat the dirt
Oh
here.
yeah, you have to shovel a 10-foot radius around that if you eat it.
There's the guts, gravy guts. Stella's already over here. She knows it. The thing she can't reach.
Our dog, for those who haven't met Stella, has severe allergies. Chicken, beef, and we don't even know what else yet. We're still eliminating things bit by bit. So we always have to watch everything that she eats. And being
An English Bull Terrier,
she eats everything.
that means everything has to go in her mouth. She's like a little infant who's learned to crawl.
She likes to experience the world through how she tastes it in her mouth. So that's a lot of fun. This bowl is gonna smell like potatoes. Oh,
Is Vincent a little too close to the window?
I didn't feel like too full this time. We need to figure out what we're doing wrong. What's inside the Instapot, Tara? Hopefully potatoes. We've never tried this before. Well, yeah. Yeah, we've never tried this before.
She's got potatoes in here.
I think she's hoping to mash them. Yeah, the gravy's gonna be all wet from the...
We got gravy, gonna make mashed potatoes, got some Caesar salad, and box stuffing, and leftover chicken. That is
our Christmas dinner.
totally steaming the boiler. Look at how long it is.
No, it's disgusting.
Oh, potato steam.
What am my coffee?
Well, that wasn't well thought out, was it? Oh well.
We will make do and survive. Knows the quail are out. Really exciting because really just a few days ago we had this torrential downpour, the washes filled up, and it was just a big watery mess here, and since then we really haven't seen the quail come by. But today on Christmas Day, it looks like a bunch of them have come back. Not quite to the same numbers yet, but that's encouraging. Personally, I'm kind of hoping that we'll see this all season long, because that would be really cool to me.
And I can zoom into the glare that she just gave. Oh, I think I have that capability with my editing software. Here's Bennie checking them out too. He likes to watch the quail. I think he's been missing them.
He wants Christmas dinner.
He wants Christmas dinner. Oh, that's bad. He would like that.
He's a gentle creature.
Gentle but ferocious. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Do you want a quail for Christmas? A pet? There's more. They're just plain shy. I knew I was in the wash.
The lights just came on.
Mm-hmm. Christmas lights just came on.
Come on, I'll take you with me.
Full moon here. There's the moon. There's me and you. It's gonna be awesome.
And then what?
Now she's silent. I'm busted. Okay.
It's Christmas Eve. Well, no, it's not Christmas Eve. It's Christmas evening. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's try that again. It's Christmas. I went and Googled it real quick, and it turns out it's actually a full moon tonight here. Well, not here. It's full moon everywhere. Anyways. You ever feel like you're being watched?
Sometimes.